Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Monese application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Monese application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the Get Started and the Login button after choosing your language. In order to create a new account, tap on Get Started and now tap on the Continue button and you will be prompted to allow access to your location. Once you have allowed the access, you can then enter your email address. After entering your email address and your location, you also have the option to enter the invite code if you have it. Then just agree with the terms and conditions and tap on the Get Started button. After you have entered your email address and chosen your country, you will be prompted to check your inbox. Just check your inbox and click on the link within or use the verification code once you are prompted. And now you can set up the password for your account. After setting up your account password, just proceed forward. And now you will be signed up to your newly created account on the Monese application right away. You can then proceed with linking your bank account and your cards. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Monese application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.